Hello kids, welcome to my channel Happy Learners. Today we will learn fruit names. Let's start. Green color, purple color, yellow color, red color, yellow color. Green color. This is apple. Apple. This is apple. Apple keeps us healthy. Apple makes us strong. Apple makes us strong. Apple keeps us healthy. This is apple. Yellow color. This is banana. Banana. Banana gives us energy. Banana makes us strong. This is banana. Banana makes us strong. Banana color is yellow. Purple color. This is grapes. Grapes. Grapes help us stay active. Grapes make our skin healthy. Grapes make our skin healthy. This is grapes. Grapes help us stay active. Grapes color is purple. Brown color. This is pineapple. Pineapple. Yellow color. Pineapple help us digestion. Pineapple help us digestion. Pineapple keep us healthy. This is pineapple. Pineapple. Green color. This is watermelon. This is watermelon. Watermelon keep us cool. Watermelon keep us cool. Watermelon keep us hydrated. Red color. Watermelon keep us hydrated. Watermelon. This is watermelon. This is strawberry. Green color. Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry keep us healthy. Strawberry keep us healthy. Strawberry make us happy. This is strawberry. This is strawberry. Strawberry make us happy. Strawberry keep us healthy. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching.